Ooh, baby, let's go. She doesn't take it slow. She's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh, baby, let's go. She doesn't take it slow. She's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh, baby, let's go. She looking straight from the city. Oh man, she looking so pretty. Goddamn, I'd like to get busy. Yeah, so baby girl, come with me. Yeah, we take it outside, oh yeah. Wanna stay up all night, oh yeah. Wanna get it all right, oh yeah. Now she wanna skip aside. She got a fine ass body with her head on straight, and she look a little naughty, but that's a-okay. Now I wanna get a drink, just you and me. I don't really wanna think, I just wanna be. She giving third-degree burns, man, I think I need a doctor. Got me concerned, cause she got me hot and bothered. Everything she earned, didn't get it from her father. Man, you think I learned, but she turns me to a monster. Let's go. She doesn't take it slow. She's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh baby, let's go. She doesn't take it slow. She's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh baby, let's go. Go. Yeah. No class but all sass. Grew fast with no dash. She a tall glass but I fall back. I want all that, I want all that. Heart attack, get my heart back. Dark eyes and a dark past. White lies and a heavy cast. Pain inside like tar is black. Silent tragedies at night when she's sleeping. Can't control her little mind in the evening. So she passes all her time by just pleasing others who aren't worth her time till she's dreaming. I want you to want me. Pupils dilate as you're moving closely. Whisper to me softly. Tell me everything is gonna be fine. Save me. You don't even know me. Hidden deep inside is a monster, baby. So tell me that you want me. I only feel alive and my heart keeps racing. Bloodshot can't escape these thoughts, it's mind rape. And my fate is your taste. Obsessed with foreplay, undress my poor brain. I just want more pain, give me drugs, ignore fame. The skin is soft but she's rough on the inside. I can't stop and she's got nowhere to hide. I'm getting lost in my thoughts and in her mind. Sometimes I think that I'm a fraud, stealing her time. I want you to want me. Pupils dilate as you're moving closely. Whisper to me softly. Tell me everything is gonna be fine. Save me. You don't even know me. Hidden deep inside is a monster, baby. So tell me that you want me. I only feel alive and my heart keeps racing. Yeah. The facts. Bad chicks like bad things. Bad chicks like big rings. Bad chicks like no strings, cause they don't wanna be attached to anything. Bad chicks are like a riddle. Man, I'm caught up in the middle. I think she's giving me a signal. Looking superficial with her chest artificial. Yeah, I'm feeling like the shit, oh. I've been making music since I was a little kiddo. Never gonna stop, no, I'm never gonna quit, oh. I hit 'em with the remix, oh. That's all I need, yeah, that's all I need. Baby, I got the only friends I need. Playing on my team is someone like took Molly. All I wanna do is turn you into a hobby. You always like that, I'm a little cocky. You always like that, you wanna be rocky. You always fight back like you wanna be a zombie. You kinda like crack, I'm addicted to your body. Yeah, so she wanna play ball? Type of girl that'll make your skin crawl. I hit her with the Bombay, then we started feeling okay. Will Smith getting jiggy with it. I think I got a couple hickeys from it. I think she's waiting on the whiskey to hit. Just like a country song, it makes her feel risky with it. Couple drinks and my mind's clear. Look in her eyes and there's no fear. She's full of lies and a lot of beer. I'll let her leave with a souvenir. That's all I need, baby, I got the only friends I need. Playing on my team is someone like I'm right, tell me I'm wrong, tell me I'm weak, tell me I'm strong. I'll take a hit to the soul and move on. I know that everything I do is wrong, yeah. You don't know shit about me, you don't know shit about me. Nah, I'm falling down on my knees. Look in the heavens, I see your eyes are coated from feelings too strong. My legs are weak from always moving on. You come back hard in my mind every song. We used to sing but now I sing alone. I feel like shit, wish you were gone. I cannot quit, just move along. My mind is stuck, you don't belong, you don't belong. Ooh, oh, oh. Lies hold truth, and I'll be fine without you, without you, without you, without you. full of regret. You lied under every breath. I'm fine, I just need to forget. Bottle full, light a new cigarette. Lightheaded, I'm infected with thoughts of you injected, like heroin addicted to things inside my head. And your eyes, they pierce your veil. I try but always fail. My mind not strong of will. And still, I hope to one day move on. Know you already moved on. And as I write this cold song, I know that you won't hold on. Your lips turn blue. These lies hold truth. And I'll be fine without you. That's enough, I'm broken. Done with emotion. Had enough, I'm swollen from all that you've stolen. It's over, I'm broken. Done with emotion. It's over, I'm broken. It's over, I'm broken. You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They blocking your vision, but no, you can't listen. That shit is all fiction, cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back. I'm alright, yeah. Living in the shadows in the night, yeah. Always searching, looking for the light, yeah. Anything to understand this life, yeah. Need someone who could hold me down, yeah, yeah. Feel buried in the ground, yeah, yeah. If I could just be found, yeah, yeah. I don't know why I'm down, yeah, yeah. And I've been feeling spiteful. Everything has got me in denial. Put me on trial. Waves of emotion like a tidal. I see you and I feel it now, yeah, yeah. I feel my heart, it pounds, yeah, yeah. Vibrations from the sounds, yeah, yeah. I wanna feel you now, yeah, yeah. Oh, I know all the dark places where my mind goes. Thoughts spin around like a vinyl. And you got me feeling something primal. It's vital, I need something new, a revival. I can feel it spreading like it's viral. It's something primal. I know all the dark places where my mind goes. And now I know how you make me feel is something primal. I know all the dark places where my mind goes. And now I know how you make me feel is something primal. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Shaking bodies in the back, I can see you move, I just want a piece of that. Everything you do got you looking hella bad. Got something to prove with an attitude like that. An attitude like that. We could feel the rhythm like it's tribal. I feel her body next to mine though. I'm looking for a sign, oh. Yeah, I feel something inside. Instinct that I can't hide. Bad thoughts are in my mind. It's like they got me blind. I'm not in control. It's like I lost my soul. Nervous and I don't know just where the night will go. I know all the dark places where my mind goes. Thoughts spin around like a vinyl. And you got me feeling something primal. It's vital, I need something new, a revival. I can feel it spreading like it's viral. It's something primal. I know all the dark places where my mind goes. And now I know